everybody. This is just a quick update on the results for the Mega Millions. So on Tuesday, March 27th, these were the winning numbers here. 7, 25, 43, 56, 59, and 13 was the Mega Ball. I didn't make a video regarding the Mega Ball. Maybe I'll do that later. Two numbers came above my filter strategy of number 46. So 46 is the number here, and I'm not going higher than 46 just for a simple reason, because it doesn't fit on the screen. I may make a bigger graph just to look at the higher numbers, but a lot of times all the numbers will come between 1 and 46, so I figure just focus on that and hope to get lucky. So I'm just going to put little hearts here where the numbers actually came out. So we had the 7 came out, and that was one that I had predicted. Okay, we had the 25 came out, and I was one off with that prediction, and the 43 over here, and that was one off with that prediction as well. So these little happy faces was for what I got correct. So I got this little 7 here correct, and all the happy faces will go where these arrows are. So let me just look at the number 1 here, and just to compare the numbers that I picked with the numbers that actually came out. So my strategy is to look for the hot numbers. The hot numbers are easier to identify than the cold numbers. All right. Now this 43 over here was actually a good number as well. All right. So you had the 46 here that was in a streak. So that's the one that I had picked. You had a cold number here, 45, which is out 42 games, and a cold number here, which is out 28 games. Now this 43 had an interesting little streak, okay? You had the you had the number 43 enter in here at 25 games. So this is his dormant period, okay? This is the reverse cascade or a decrease, okay? So the skip is decreasing. So it skips from 25 to 6 to 1. So it decreased. You can see that pretty evident here. And then it went back up to 7. All right. Now, the 7 here, okay, is a symmetry off of this 6. So I didn't suggest this, but it was a good number. Of course, I'm just going by the seat of my pants. I haven't gotten into the game yet, but you can see this number is in a streak. 25, 6, 1, 7, where 7 is symmetrical from the 6. All right. The other number that came out was the 25. So the 25 came out at a dormant skip of 13 games. And 13 is symmetrical to 15. Okay. So basically 15 equals 15, 15 equals 14, and 15 equals 13. Okay, that's the limits in the symmetry that I look at. Another positive thing in the number 25 is that the symmetry was decreasing. So you had a 15-13 as opposed to a 15-17, all right, where the symmetry would be increasing. So the other numbers are still here. So this 46, I think, is still valid. The 33 is certainly valid. 26 is valid. 17 is still valid. And the 1 is still valid. And of course, the 7 is still valid because numbers do repeat. You had a repeating number here, which is a skip 0. A repeating number here, a skip 0. A repeating number here, a skip 0. So basically, the moral of the story is that it's easier to spot the hot numbers than the cold numbers, right? And the cold numbers that really you should pick should be one off of some of those hot numbers, okay? So in lottery posts, a lot of people talk about this thing called one-off-itis. It's like a disease where everyone says, oh, you know, I had all the numbers, but they were all one off. So this is one of the ways to combat one-off-itis. And but you have to see the hot numbers, because the one-off-itis is always off of the hot numbers. So here you're looking at the 46. So you could say this was off 1, 2. This is off 3, right? But it was also a streak here. So just looking from in my mind for the future, you can see here that this skip is 7. All right, this is the number 42. So you have the skip 7, and then the skip 8, and then after this drawing, I haven't updated yet, you'll have another 7. So the pattern will be 7, 8, 7. And what is that? It's symmetry, and it's also an adjacent. So I'll come back. I'll do another workout for Friday because nobody won, and the jackpot is at 502 million, I think. So I'll use these happy faces for markers, and I'll bring that, guys, to you later when I get around to it. Gonna have some lunch now, some bok choy soup with noodles, and listen to some politics on YouTube. All right, so good luck, everybody, and any questions, put them in the comment section, because we got another drawing coming up Friday. All right, good luck.